To that one person who always dislikes my video. Hi everyone, my name is Roma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday and I'm going to vlog my day. So a lot of things is happening today. Shlok has come yesterday since it's the weekend. Also guys, today I had gone to the supermarket to get stuff. I didn't get down, that's why I'm in my home clothes. My sister got down, so I'm the driver for today. Anyways, so now I'm going to vlog my day for you. And yes, let's go inside now. I had gone out, and if you guys like my mask, it's from pastellife.co. Penguin, I'll put the link in the description.
A few moments later.
Good morning. Good morning, Shlok. Yeah. Look what? Good morning. So I'm in my kitchen right now. Tanvi, what are you making today?
I'm making chicken kafrial for my YouTube channel.
Speaking of which, she has one, so please do go subscribe. There will be a link in the description. Mama, आज किरे केला for a lunch. Shlok, new watch आवडली? Hoy? Not charged battery. So guys, Shlok is all charged now. Shlok, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
So guys, now I'm just going to lie down, listen to some songs. Also, I'm going to post a picture for a review that I had done in a restaurant, the Great Indian Tandoor. I've done a video for that. If you have not seen it, I'll put a link in the description. So now I'm going to post a picture on Instagram. I have a food page named Roma Loves Food. So if you haven't followed it yet, please do go follow it and check it out. So Shlok, let's go to the other room. So guys, it's been some time now. I was lying down on my bed. I posted up some pictures on my Roma Loves Food page, and I listened to some songs. Now it's almost 1 PM. I'm going to go down for lunch. So guys, it's time for lunch now. Let's see what my mom has made. I know there is methi, but I don't know about the rest. So yes, let's go. So guys, my sister has made kafrial and it's ready. For the recipe, you have to go to her YouTube channel. There will be a link in the description below. This is like Goan kafrial.
My version of it.
So guys, my sister's chicken kafrial is all ready. I cannot wait to eat it. It looks so delicious. Alright guys, time to taste it. Really good. She doesn't want to come in the frame, but it's really very good. Goan style kafrial. Alright guys, we just had lunch and now we're just resting. Shlok is here. Don't have any homework today?
No.
Why?
You are the holidays.
Show us your teeth. So guys, the title of my video says a message to that one person who always dislikes my video. So here is my message. If you're watching this, Mr. or Miss Disliker, this is a message for you. Well, first up I want to say that I'm highly impressed because you find the time to open my video every day and give it a dislike. And I hardly get 1 or 2 dislikes, so I'm assuming it's the same person. You know what, I'll be a little frank here and I'll tell you that the likes or dislike do not matter to the YouTuber or to the video. It does not affect the video at all. It's just like there for the people. So I just wanted to tell you that please keep watching my videos. Please keep doing that dislike thing. I don't mind. After all, you're giving me a view. So thank you so much for that. And I love you for that. Okay, that's all I had to say to my one and only one hater that I have. 1 or 2 haters, I think. I don't know if it's the same person or if they are different, or if it's the same person disliking from 2 different accounts. I cannot tell you because I don't know who dislikes it. I cannot know the name. But anyways, I don't care. And yes, guys, that's all that I wanted to say to the hater. So currently it is around 2:30 PM. And you guys know what I do this time. I just lie down on my bed, maybe sleep a little. I don't sleep, but yeah, just lie down for a while. And yes. So today I won't be going to the store with my sister. I will be staying at home because we have to go somewhere at night. So I'll be staying at home. As she has told me to stay at home. So I'll be staying at home. So yeah.
2 hours later.
So currently it's like 4 p.m. and me and Shlok are having coffee. Shlok, how have I made the coffee? Good? Hey guys, so it's like 5:30 right now and I was trying to do this reel because I'm going to go out tonight. So I was trying to do this reel of me dressing up. So if it's like ready and if I like it, I'm going to post it on my Instagram, Miss Barne. Make sure you guys follow me and check out if I have posted a reel. Most probably I will. And yes, I think I'm going to end my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you all did, please do give it a big like. If you did not like it, give it a dislike. And yes, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.